This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening your project folder and the HTML plus CSS files so you can iterate fast. Once done, make sure Live Server is installed in Extensions. This gives you a live preview with automatic reload. Next, link styles. CSS from index. HTML using a proper link rel equals stylisheet tag in the head so changes apply immediately. By starting here, you remove friction and set up the live feedback loop that powers rapid. Now you'll launch the preview and arrange your workspace. Right-click Index. HTML and choose Open with Live Server. The page opens in your default browser. Make sure to split your editor or use a second monitor so you see code and preview simultaneously, which speeds adjustments. Then open the browser's developer tools to inspect elements and view computed styles. That helps you understand which selector applies and why a rule may be overridden, saving guesswork during styling. As you edit CSS, save the file and watch Live Server refresh the page so you see results immediately. If changes don't appear, make sure you perform a hard reload or clear browser cache and confirm the stylisheet path in your HTML is correct. Also inspect specificity and cascade. Sometimes a more specific selector or inline style blocks your rule. If problems persist, restart Live Server and check the console for errors. That usually resolves hidden issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.